Hey everyone, I'm back with another quick and very interesting tutorial with a website that you can use to design the complex grids visually for your CSS project. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to design the grids or you don't know the code about that, you can directly open any of the browser you have, and this process is free. You can use it anytime, anywhere. Now here you have to search for CSS Grid Generator by Sarah Drancer. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong. You can see the right spelling over there. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and open this first website, which will appear right in front of you. And here you can see a page will open where you can design the grid as per your need. You can change the number of columns and everything. And once you are satisfied with the changes, just simply hit please may I have some code, and you can see the code will work for this particular grid have been appeared right in front of you, and you can just simply hit copy and use it anywhere you want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.